Hi. Lately, everything has been about AI. AI this, AI that, and every company has been creating some kind of apps around it. And they have been really helpful for businesses. At Agile, our focus and our goal is to help you manage all of your business in one place. And if you are using some kind of AI apps with your client communication or in your projects, you have to go to some other app, create content, and then come back to Agile and paste your content. But I'm very happy to announce that now you can create your content with AI right inside Agile and use it in your projects, contacts, contracts, proposals, in your emails, in your documentations, etc. We recently released Agile AI to a number of users. It was not available to everyone, and I am very happy to announce that it is now available to everyone on Agile. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Agile AI in different sections of Agile. It is available in all parts of Agile, like in while writing emails to your contacts, while creating task descriptions, while creating project descriptions, while writing documentations and wikis, while creating contracts or proposals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Agile AI to create blog posts, social media ads, etc. And I'm also going to tell you how you can access Agile AI in your Agile account. You can write unlimited words with your Agile AI subscriptions. I'm going to tell you how you can access Agile AI and start using it. So let's dive in and see how Agile AI works. And please note that this is just the first version of our Agile AI. We are going to add a lot more features and a lot more options and flexibility in our AI, Agile AI, and we will also release an AI assistant and we'll also add AI to some other parts of Agile to help you manage your business in an easier way. So thank you so much. So so let's dive in and see how it works. So I'm on the dashboard right now, and the first step to use Agile AI is to activate it since this is an add-on and we have to activate the add-on. So I will go to my billing profile, and from here I will go to add-ons, and since my AI is already active, I will leave it as it is. But if you want to activate it, you can click on update from here and activate Agile AI and pay for it. We are actually running a promotion right now. Originally it is for $15, but right now it is for $9.99 for all users of Agile right now. And the great thing about it is that it is unlimited. You can use it for unlimited words, and it will include all the future updates that we will add to Agile AI. So this is how you activate Agile AI. And once you pay, Agile AI will be activated in your account. Let's start by writing an email first. To write an email, I will go to contacts and go to any contact from here and go to email tab and click on send email. Now the email editor for this email will have Agile AI in it. As you can see, it is available now and it is enabled. Let's say I want to write cold email for my services, or I want to ask about a meeting or something in my email. So I can just say an email to ask about most meeting. So, fine. So I can select this text and click on Agile AI and it will do the rest. It is just this easy to use Agile AI. So it will write the email from here. You can remove this if you want. And just to let you know that we are improving this, and in future subject etc will be written in the subject fields. And you can remove this. And you can see this is very formal email. You can replace your name, etc. And you can go from here. Or if you want to make this email short, you can select this. Sorry, come here, make this shorter, select it, and click on Agile AI to run this prompt. So it will automatically run this prompt inside Agile for you. You don't have to go anywhere else to do this. So you can remove the earlier email, and as you can see, it has made it short, and now you can use it to send it to your contact. Now, if you are creating a tasks for your clients in CRM, you can also use it in the task description. Let's say write a task description for my teammate to send design files to the. So I can click on Agile AI and it will create task description for your task. So it is creating a very professional description right now. So now you don't have to write this all manually. You can just write a prompt and let Agile AI write it for you. So this was task description. Now let's go into the projects. Let's say if you want to write a project description for a web design project, how can you write it for the Agile AI? We are going to show you how. So let's say I want to write a design description, project description for a design project. Write up, and let's say I wanted to make a list of tasks. So I can select it and select Agile AI to run this prompt. So it will start writing. So now the project description is being written. As you can see, it is creating tasks, it is creating milestones, or it is dividing project into different tasks. So this is how easy it is to do this with Agile. And once you have created the project, you can also use it in tasks. Let's say I'll show you how easy it is to use it in tasks. Let's say you are creating this for a client. Let's create this project. Yes. uh, Let's say there is a task to write a web design copy for web page copy for your client website. Let's create the task first and assign it to myself. Let's say the task is write uh, services copy. And this, let's say the service they provide is plumbing, and task is due start date and assigned to me. Let's say this is the task. Now If I had to start from the scratch, it can take hours and hours to complete the copy. And sometimes you will be looking at a blank page before you write an actual copy. So Agile AI is here to help you get started with the first drafts. I'll go into the tasks and and edit this task and come here and I will say help me write page before formal service. of this form. So I will select it and I can also add the tone, etc. Keep the tone and so can select Agile AI to run this prompt and it will create the copy form. So you can create number of revisions, you can alter it, you can shorten, you can expand the copy, you can do whatever you want with Agile AI and write within Agile. You don't have to go to any other app. So it is creating the copy. As you can see, it is formatted. In the next task, let's say we have to write a social media ad or tweets, or we want to brainstorm some ideas for social media posts. How can we do it with Agile AI? So in this video, in the next step, I'm going to show you this. Let's create a new task. Let's say new task is generate social media post ideas for plumbing company. Let's say plumbing company is your client. So I'm going to edit this task right now here. So what I'll do is I'll write help me generate 50 social media post ideas for my plumbing company to engage my potential audience, my target audience. From writing the correct prompt is very important because the output will be only as good as your prompt. So we'll also provide you with sample prompts. We'll also provide you with cheat sheets, etc., and some creative prompts as well. We'll share those files with you as well. So let's run this prompt and see what it generates. So you can do this with all kinds of stuff like creating blog post ideas, creating creating tweets, creating writing social media posts, writing Facebook ads, writing ads ideas, etc. It can be really helpful for you because sometimes you are just staring at a blank page when you're working. You can get a writer's block. It is help to get you. It is meant to help you get started. So once you get started, you can take it from there. So here are the ideas it is generating. So you can use this to generate social media posts, and you can generate those social media posts with Agile AI as well. And then you can schedule these posts to keep your Facebook page active, etc. Keep your client's page or your page. So as you can see, it is creating all these ideas. You might already have some of these ideas already, but it is always good to get a new angle that or some angle that you can think about. So these are the 50 ideas that we wanted to generate for social media posts. So this is how you generate social media post ideas with Agile AI. Now let's go and write contracts or a proposal with Agile AI. So let's say I want to create a new document. I'm in docs and I'm creating a new doc. Let's say AI contract or say company AI contract. Well, let's choose a photography company for this. And document type is contract. Let's leave this and proceed to build up. One thing no- I want to mention here is that this is while this is helpful in creating contracts, you should always get your contracts or legal documents checked by your legal advisor or legal professional. This is no way a legal advice, or you should not use the contracts, ready-made contracts via AI, because it can always miss something and you're not legal experts in this. So always get your legal advice before using the contract. So let me drag a text widget here and let's say write the text contract for photograph service. I will select this and click on Agile AI, and it will start writing the contract. So as you can see, it is writing all the contract by itself, but you should check it before you send it to your client. So this is the contract that it generated, and you can use it to write proposals. Let's write a proposal. Let's delete this page. New page. For for photography services. So I will select this and click on Agile AI. So it is writing all the details of the proposal. So once the proposal has been written, you can add the details, you can add your images, etc., whatever you want. We have all these different widgets in our proposal builder as well. So this is a proposal. You can write different prompt. You can generate a detailed proposal than this. This is very, I would say, comprehensive, but short proposal. You can write detailed proposal, etc. of how many words you want. There is no limit of words in Agile. So this is how you generate proposals and contracts with the help of Agile AI. It will make your job much more easier when you are using this. So it can save you hours and hours of manual work, and you can get your first drafts ready and start from there. Let's go ahead and go to wikis and add a wiki. We already have a wiki SEO, and let's create a page here. Say blog post ideas Actually, we have done the idea, so let's write a blog post with this. So similarly, I'll drag the text bar here. Uh, let's say write a blog post or benefits of Google. So I can select this and click on Agiled AI to run this prompt. You can write the type of tone you want in the plumbing. Sorry. You can write the type of tone you want or writing style you want in the prompt as well. So as you can see, it is writing a pretty good blog post. You can change it when the first draft is completed by AI. So I think it did a pretty good job. But if you want a detailed blog post, you can mention that in the prompt as well. And you can use Agile AI for other things as well. Let's say you wanted to write a documentation the about some feature of your app, or you wanted to create a checklist for your teammates for a project. Let's say you want to create a photography checklist. So I can write help me generate on site wedding photography checklist. Can select this, click on Agile AI, and it will help me create checklists or documentation or whatever kind of thing I want with Agile AI. So it is creating checklist. It is a pretty good checklist. I'm not a wedding photographer, so I will know, but by the look of it, it is doing a very good job. So you can create this checklist and share it with your teammates, or you can keep it in your wiki, or if you want to create it for your clients, you can do that as well. So this is how you use Agile in wiki section. And I'm just going to save and exit this. So this was a quick overview of what you can do with Agile AI. The possibilities are endless. I just scratched the surface of Agile AI, and we are doing a lot of things to improve this. We are adding a lot more flexibility and options that are going to be released soon. So this is how you use Agile AI. And if you lock in your subscription at $9.99 right now, you will get all the future updates at this price. No matter how much the price increases in future, your price will be locked in at this. And I think with unlimited words limit, it is a pretty good deal. So you should get it right now. If you have any if you have any feedback for us, uh, please let us know. If you have any questions or feedbacks or suggestions for us, we always rely on your feedback and help. So to improve our app, we get back to all the emails. Uh, thank you so much for watching the video. You I hope you get Agile AI to use it to supercharge your business and supercharge your creativity. So, thank you so much for watching that. I'll see you soon in another video.